Yamaha Bolt Sport. Best cruiser motorcycles for beginners. So you're a new rider looking at a cruiser bike? This is an excellent choice. Cruisers make great first bikes for several reasons. We bet you'll love the power, the lightweight and, yes, the style. Some of the best cruiser bikes for beginners combine all of these. Think urban chic looks, rugged vibes and a laid-back attitude. And best of all, entry-level cruisers look and feel just as powerful as their larger counterparts. In fact, some of the best cruiser bikes for beginners are perfect for growing up. As you ride more and more, you will develop your skills. Once that happens, your beginner cruiser might just start to feel like a serious road bike capable of just about anything. If you choose your first beginner cruiser wisely, chances are you'll ride it for years before you want to upgrade. Top choice for the best starter motorcycle cruiser. While the market for entry-level cruiser bikes is huge, we've looked at some classics that are light and mid-powered. Next, we assessed the reliability of the bikes. We also looked at the most reputable brands and models. Finally, we considered price. As a new rider, you probably don't want to part with $10,000 and up for your new bike. Without much further ado, here are our top picks for beginner cruiser bikes. Yamaha Bolt Sport. Yamaha Bolt Sport, best cruiser motorcycles for beginners. Love bobbers? Then you'll love the Yamaha Bolt Sport, a fantastic cruiser motorcycle for beginners. Make no mistake, this beast is powerful, boasting a 942 cubic centimeters engine, and it isn't lightweight at 542 pounds wet. However, its low position weight helps to keep the bike stable and balanced. You'll get into the rhythm of the Bolt in no time, as this bike is incredibly comfortable to ride, and, much like the Vulcan, it's an ideal beginner cruiser to grow into. For a motorcycle of this size, design, and reliability, the price point of $7,999 is more than fair. In addition, the Bolt had that nostalgic, heritage bobber look that's perfect for urban-style aficionados. It's part bobber, part café racer, part something truly unique. We included the Bolt into our best cruiser motorcycles for beginners because of its excellent handling, great suspension, amazing looks, and decent price point. And let's not forget, Yamaha is well known for reliability. The Bolt was built to last, and it will be both a great beginner cruiser and a fantastic steed when you've gained more experience. Yamaha has excellent aftermarket support, so maintaining your bike and finding parts will be no issue. Yamaha Bolt Sport pros and cons. Pros: well built, reliable, great aftermarket support, stylish design, easy handling. Cons: may be too heavy and powerful for a complete newbie. Specs: engine, 60-degree V-twin. Displacement, 942 cubic centimeters. Borax stroke, 85 by 83 millimeters. Compression ratio, 9.0 to 1. Valve train, SOHC, 4 VPC. Fueling, twin-bore EFI. Cooling, air. Transmission, 5-speed. Final drive, belt. Front suspension, travel, non-adjustable 41mm fork, 4.7 inches. Rear suspension, travel, non-adjustable piggyback reservoir shocks, 2.8 inches. Wheels, 12-spoke cast alloy. Tires, Bridgestone Exedra G721. Front tire, 190x19. Rear tire, 150/80x16. Front and rear brakes, 298mm wave-type disc. Seat height, 27.2 inches. Fuel capacity, 3.4 gallons. Estimated fuel consumption, 51 miles per gallon. Curb weight, 542 pounds. A must for the cruiser owner. Now that you have your top 5 picks for the best cruiser bikes for beginners, let's talk about a few basic things to keep in mind. Here are a few things to remember as a new bike owner. 1. Maintain your motorcycle. Buying the bike is the first step, but regular maintenance is crucial if you want to keep it in good shape. As a new rider, you may want to trust your dealer and let the professionals handle the service. If you're mechanically minded, however, check out our motorcycle maintenance tips for beginners and take care of your bike yourself. 2. Get good gear. Riding motorcycles is fun, but it also carries inherent risk. After buying your first motorcycle, be sure to invest in quality, protective motorcycle clothing. Sturdy over-the-ankle boots, protective pants and jacket, gloves and a good helmet are a must to stay safe on the road.